Bye, YouTube. Letters in the mailbox. I'm gonna hunt you down. I'm gonna hunt you down. I'm gonna hunt you down. No, you're never gonna find me. Never gonna find me. Never gonna find me. And that's Becca Mancari's new song called Hunter. It's very cool. This is an arrangement of it because she's playing with a full band and they have a band arrangement of it. But what I was just playing was A minor, G, F. So you can play that in the open position. If you wanted to. And then the chorus is, what I was playing was C, G, F. Never gonna hunt me down. No, you're never gonna catch me. I'm never gonna hunt me down. Never gonna catch me. Never gonna hunt me down. All right, and so that is C to G to F. You could also play that. Play that in the open position as well. And anyways, I just thought I'd put that out there. In the recording, a lot of it is just like a muted single note. They're playing. Sounds like they got a phaser on the guitar. You can mostly just hear the bass playing the. All right, so that's the chords for Becca Mancari's cool new song called Hunter. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.